Hello everyone, Alexis here. So today I wanted to talk about how do you come from a space, let's say something happens in your life, or perhaps a difficult aspect is coming home, or perhaps it won't integrate and it just keeps coming back, another layer of the difficulty of the challenge, and all of a sudden you feel down, you feel in a hole again, as if you'll never come out again. Because remember, as you're opening up, you feel much more, and not only that you feel much more, you're allowing all the different emotions, all the different experience to come home, to integrate all the experiences that have accumulated over lifetimes and lifetimes, and including in this lifetime. And it feels like you've forgotten your I am that I am. It feels like you've forgotten self-love. And in those times, it's best to really not do anything, just to accept. And this is such an easy, it seems like simple and easy answer, but it is difficult and challenging for humans, because hardly anybody's doing it. People just keep getting caught. As you look around the mass consciousness at other people, they just keep being caught with these things that are in reality so easy to resolve with the acceptance. You accept, and then you step back within yourself and you notice what's going on and just accept. And in that acceptance, space is created for your I am that I am, for your soul to be present, to flow in. And that creates even more space, even a bigger, grander perspective. And in that space, you already feel different. You already feel a master, one that doesn't control, but allows and accepts. Because it was the false idea of the mind that said control is the way to go, but control suppresses, and acceptance allows the flow. Just like this waterfall, as you can see, it just accepts all the boulders. It accepts all the things around it just as they are, and the water just flows and it finds its way. But this is again an analogy, because within you, you melt the boulders. You allow the energy to move, to transform and transmute back into the neutral. And in the neutral then, it is available for you for your next choice, for your next creation. And so it is. Until next time, see ya.